So to share pins directly from your shop, you'll need to connect your social account, which is going to be Pinterest, to your shop. So in your shop manager, go to marketing, go to social media, click on social accounts. All right, you click on connect to Pinterest. It should pull up your existing Pinterest account in which you're already logged in. Now they're connected. All right, let's see how it works now. Now you go here, you go to this button, create post, and you can pick and choose from your recommendations that Etsy gives you, like my latest listing, milestone of my shop, or you can create a new post from scratch. Let's just take this one, for example. Click on next. You can pick and choose whichever picture you want, or you can browse your computer by clicking on this last button. The problem with sharing directly from Etsy is that this is not the appropriate size for Pinterest. Like Pinterest doesn't like this size of the picture, which is rectangular, and vertical pins are the best. But anyway, for this example, if you were to share a listing directly from Etsy to make your life easier, this will work. So add a caption, click on next, and choose a Pinterest. Choose the board, I don't know, coffee mugs. Like for example, I'm not gonna pin it, but you just click on Pinterest. And you can also like do this for Instagram as well if you have Instagram connected, or Twitter if you have that connected as well. And then you just click on post and continue, and this pin will automatically show up in your Pinterest feed under this board that you chose. There is one more way you can share direct links of your products to Pinterest is by going to Shop Manager and Listings. Click on any of your listings settings, drop-down menu, and you will see a share button. Click on that, and this is going to be the link that your customer will land on once they click pin that you're just about to create. Click on Save. You will see all your boards here. Pick whichever you want, whichever suits your product, and save it by clicking on the button next to that board. And that's pretty much it.